Choosing the wrong tire means chasing traction all year, from summer rain to winter frost. In this video, we are ranking 5 of the best all-season tires, from a budget-friendly passenger tire to a premium SUV option. Every pick here handles wet roads, dry highways, and light winter conditions without needing a seasonal swap. We are covering Bridgestone and 4 other trusted brands, so there is a fit for nearly any vehicle. Stick around to find the right tire for your car. Number 1. Sailun Atrezzo SH408. The Sailun Atrezzo SH408 opens this list as the most affordable all-season option. This passenger tire is built for daily commuting, balancing a smooth highway ride with dependable wet road grip. A symmetrical tread pattern spreads wear evenly across the tire's life, which helps it last through daily driving. The all-season rubber compound stays flexible in cooler temperatures, so traction does not drop off sharply once the weather turns. Circumferential grooves channel water away from the contact patch, cutting down on hydroplaning risk during heavy rain. A quiet, comfortable ride comes from the tread's tuned block pattern, which limits road noise at highway speeds. Sailun backs this tire with a standard treadwear warranty, giving buyers some peace of mind on longevity. The sidewall construction resists curb rash better than many tires in this guide. Braking distances on wet pavement stay short and predictable, even after the tread starts to wear. The tire mounts easily on most stock wheels without needing special adapters or spacers. This tire suits drivers who put daily miles on a commuter car and want dependable traction without overthinking the decision. It also suits anyone replacing worn factory tires who wants a straightforward upgrade. Families running a second or third vehicle often turn to a tire like this to keep the whole fleet running smoothly. Anyone shopping for their first set of all-season tires should start with something this dependable. Number 2. Goodyear Assurance Finesse. The Goodyear Assurance Finesse steps up with a name drivers already trust. This passenger tire focuses on a smooth, quiet ride without sacrificing the grip needed for everyday driving. Goodyear tuned the tread compound specifically for comfort, so road imperfections transmit less noise and vibration into the cabin. Wet traction stays strong thanks to deep circumferential grooves that clear water quickly from the contact patch. The tire also holds up well in light winter conditions, including cold mornings and occasional light snow. A durable tread compound resists wear from daily commuting, highway merging, and stop-and-go traffic alike. Goodyear's reputation for consistency means less guesswork compared to lesser-known budget brands. The symmetric tread design allows for easy rotation, which helps extend even wear across all 4 tires. Long-term owners often report even tread wear well past the halfway mark of the tire's life. The tire performs consistently, whether the car is loaded with cargo or running empty on a daily commute. Goodyear's widespread dealer network also makes replacement and warranty service easy to find nationwide. This tire suits drivers who want a proven, trusted name in a tire built for daily comfort. It also suits commuters covering long highway stretches who prioritize a smooth, quiet cabin above all else. Anyone replacing tires on a family sedan or crossover will find this a dependable, low-drama choice. Number 3. Bridgestone WeatherPeak. The Bridgestone WeatherPeak brings the brand this list is named after. This touring tire is built specifically for year-round performance across a wide range of weather conditions. Bridgestone engineered the tread compound to stay flexible through cold snaps while still handling summer heat without excessive wear. A directional tread pattern channels water and slush away from the contact patch more aggressively than a standard all-season design. That aggressive channeling helps the WeatherPeak handle light snow better than many tires marketed simply as all-season. Touring-tuned sidewalls keep the ride comfortable on the highway while still responding predictably during quick lane changes. Bridgestone's tread compound also resists the hardening that some tires experience in freezing temperatures, keeping grip more consistent through winter mornings. The tire carries a treadwear rating built for long-term daily use rather than short-term performance driving. This tire suits drivers in regions with unpredictable weather who do not want to swap tires twice a year. It also suits commuters who drive through both summer storms and the occasional winter flurry on the same daily route. Drivers who have switched from a standard all-season tire often notice better grip during sudden rain. The WeatherPeak name reflects Bridgestone's focus on handling whatever the forecast brings, not just dry pavement. Bridgestone's name recognition and dealer network give buyers extra confidence when it comes to warranty support and replacement availability. Number 4. Hankook Kinergy STH735. The Hankook Kinergy ST moves into daily driver territory with a well-established design. This all-season radial is designed for sedans and crossovers that log heavy daily mileage. A dual-tread compound balances a soft outer layer for wet grip with a firmer inner structure for stability at highway speed. Hankook engineered this tire with a focus on tread longevity, aiming to outlast many tires in its category. Wide circumferential grooves handle standing water effectively, cutting down on hydroplaning risk during sudden downpours. The tread pattern also stays quiet at highway speeds, avoiding the drone that some budget tires develop over time. A stiffer shoulder design improves cornering stability without making the ride harsh over rough pavement. This tire performs consistently across a wide temperature range, from summer heat to the first frost of the season. Hankook backs the Kinergy ST with a standard treadwear warranty for added confidence over the life of the tire. Braking performance stays sharp, even as the tread wears toward the halfway point. The tire's proven track record makes it a common choice among fleet and rental car operators. Drivers who need consistent, no-surprises performance year after year often gravitate toward tires with this kind of history. This tire suits drivers covering high annual mileage who want a dependable all-around performer. It also suits rideshare and delivery drivers whose vehicles spend more hours on the road than a typical commuter car. Number 5. Pirelli Scorpion All-Season Plus 3. The Pirelli Scorpion All-Season Plus 3 closes this list as the premium SUV pick. This tire is built specifically for crossovers and SUVs that need performance-oriented handling year-round. Pirelli engineered the tread with a stiffer central rib, which improves steering response and stability at higher speeds. An asymmetric tread design blends dry road cornering grip with dependable wet traction across the same tire. Extra load construction supports the added weight that SUVs and loaded crossovers carry compared to standard sedans. The compound stays responsive across a wide temperature range, handling both summer heat and cooler shoulder season driving. Wide outer shoulder blocks improve cornering confidence during quick highway lane changes or sudden maneuvers. Pirelli's motorsport-derived engineering background shows in how composed this tire feels at speed compared to standard touring options. The tread pattern also manages noise well, keeping the cabin quiet despite the more aggressive design. Owners moving up from a standard all-season tire often notice sharper handling immediately. This tire holds up well whether the drive is a daily school run or a long highway trip. This tire suits SUV and crossover owners who want performance tire handling without giving up all-season versatility. It also suits drivers who frequently haul cargo or tow light loads and need a tire that handles the extra weight confidently. For anyone wanting the most capable, performance-focused tire on this list, this is the last pick you will need to consider. That is 5 of the best all-season tires for 2026, covering Bridgestone and 4 other trusted brands across every budget. Which tire are you putting on your car next? Let us know in the comments.